Hey there, welcome back to eFishing. I'm Rodney. We're down here on the Salt River today looking for some white bass here in October. So y'all hang tight, see if we can find any. I don't know, I've heard there's supposed to be fall run, but I don't know. Never done this before, so we're kind of out exploring today. See what happens. Give me a thumbs up down there, helps get it out to the algorithm. Y'all pick something up, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go fishing. Whoa! Something after that. Well, there's a little old crappie first thing this morning. About that. That's a little one. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, that's a smallmouth. Largemouth. Look at that. Oh my. Well, didn't really expect that this morning. But he ate the old fly. How about that? This is worth coming down to the river for. There's one. How about that? We got there. Oh, whisker fish. Oh my. How about that, folks? Y'all see that thing? Old catfish on a fly. How about that? Now the problem is I'm a little gun shy on these things for my little incident at the pier. Yeah, I hear you. But anyways, there he is. He's a little one. How about that? Smallmouth. Got that old smallmouth. Well, pretty fish. Right there. Let him go. Well, here we are. We've only fished a couple hours this morning, but you know, It ain't bad. It's a little bushwhacking down here. It's pretty growed up, so, you know, might bring a machete with you if you come down here. But anyways, we caught a few fish. Caught a pretty nice little smallmouth, a little largemouth there. That was kind of interesting. Caught that channel cat, crappie, and whatnot. And then we lost a few fish. So, you know, it ain't bad. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fish we caught and lost a couple. So 6 in a couple hours. Yeah, it ain't bad. It ain't great, but it beats sitting on the couch watching the TV, I guess. So anyways, I'm Rodney with eFishing. We'll catch y'all out here next time. We're out.